So we do have a 31 alert day that is in effect for late this afternoon and into this evening. The primary concern is going to be damaging straight line wind, but we could see some large hail, and I'm not even completely ruling out the tornado threat either. From right now through 10 o'clock is going to be the prime time for the potential of strong to severe storms. We have a new severe thunderstorm watch in effect for our entire area until 10 o'clock this evening. Let's show you the wider view of what's happening right now to get an idea of what's heading our way. We have had a strong system of storms roll across Middle Tennessee over the past couple of hours, knocking out power for many in Central Tennessee earlier today. This is surging southeastward in our general direction. That's going to be the first line of storms, and then a secondary cluster of storms in northeast Arkansas may clip the Shoals region later on this evening. So it could be a 1-2 punch for us here locally. Right now we have one severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5 o'clock this afternoon for Wayne, Lawrence, and Giles counties in Tennessee. 60-mile-per-hour wind and torrential downpours along with a lot of lightning with this particular part of the storm that is racing to the southeast at 60 miles per hour. That is the speed of this system. It is moving fast and it's going to get to North Alabama here pretty soon. Here's a track for the next couple of hours. Arrival time for Fayetteville in Tennessee would be around 5:22. For Florence and around the Quad Cities, 5:46. Then we're talking parts of Madison County closer to the 6 o'clock hour. Right around 6 o'clock is a rough estimate for arrival time in those locations. And future radar is doing a good idea of picking up on that timeline. So again, around 5:30 is when we could see the Shoals up to Fayetteville being affected. Decatur, Huntsville, close to that 6 o'clock hour. Sand Mountain, it's going to be closer to 7 o'clock. That you get that initial surge of storms. Round 2 of strong storms, again, could affect the Shoals around 8, 9 o'clock this evening. Once we get after 9, 10 o'clock, we should see the storm threat gradually come to an end with just some lingering showers through about midnight tonight. So here are the threats we are watching. The main concern are wind gusts that could be up to 70 miles per hour, but are most likely to be topping out around 60 miles per hour. Hail is going to peak up to quarter size, and a brief spin-up tornado cannot be completely ruled out. It's not necessarily likely with these storms, but we are not ruling it out, and of course we'll be here to update you if that is an imminent threat. We have a lot of fuel in the atmosphere to support a severe threat for us locally. Current temperatures in the low 90s for most of the region. The heat index up to 103 in Huntsville, 105 in Athens, feeling like 103 in Muscle Shoals at this hour. Taking a look outside, we have had plenty of sunshine today, but the clouds are beginning to stream back in. One thing you'll notice on this view of the Way 31 Skycam network, visibility is a lot better today compared to this time yesterday. That's because our air quality is improving rapidly compared to even what we saw earlier this morning. We still do have some moderate air quality concerns for the areas highlighted in yellow, but we were in the unhealthy category in parts of North Alabama this time yesterday. So we have seen much of that smoke clear out. That trend should continue as we head into Wednesday. It's more heat coming our way tomorrow. Similar highs in the low 90s. Heat index values climbing to the low 100s. One thing that could keep us a little bit cooler than expected is the threat for some showers and storms. These are our forecast highs for tomorrow, and we are expected to continue to keep that heat around through Thursday and Friday. Let's walk through future radar real quickly for the next few days. There is a decent chance we have some wet weather around the morning and early afternoon on Wednesday, which should trend drier as we head into tomorrow afternoon. An isolated chance at showers and storms on Thursday, but our best chance at wet weather after this evening is going to be on Friday. After that, we should see a drying trend heading into the weekend with a bit of a cool down as well. Highs down to the upper 80s on Saturday and Sunday.